In this video, we will look at solving inequalities to find x. Okay, so we treat inequalities the same way as we would treat linear equations when we're solving for x. There's just one minor detail to be aware of, is that if we divide down by a minus number, you must flip the sign. Okay, we'll come across this in the video and you'll see what I mean then. Okay, so if we divide down by a minus number, we must flip the sign. So that's just one thing to be aware of. Other than that, we just treat it like we would in a linear equation. So the first one says solve for x and show your answer on a number line. So we have 2 minus 3x is bigger than or equal to minus 6. Okay, so just like a linear equation, I want all x's on one side and numbers on the other. So I'm going to say minus 3x bigger than or equal to minus 6, and then bringing over that positive 2 will turn it into a minus 2. So now I've got x's on one side, numbers on the other. So tidying that up, minus 6 minus 2 more is minus 8. So just like in a linear equation, we now divide down by the coefficient of x, which is here minus 3. And this is what I mean by if you divide down by a minus number. Okay, so here we're dividing both sides by a minus 3, which is going to give me x is less than or equal to. Okay, so I'll just do that again. So you can see I've flipped the sign, I've turned it around. So now x is less than or equal to 8 over 3, because minus divided by minus gives you positive. So I flip the sign as I divide it down by a minus number. So our answer here is x is less than or equal to 8 over 3. Now, we're told here that x is n, which means x is a natural number, and we should know by now that natural numbers begin at 1 and they're only positive whole numbers. So 8 over 3 is the same as saying 2 and 2/3. Okay, so that means it's only natural whole numbers, so we don't really include the 2/3 as it's not a natural number, but we can take the 2. So on our number line, we can say now that the range for x is 1, so I plot it on, and 2. So we don't say 2 and 2/3 as the 2/3 parts is a natural number, but we can say 1 and 2 for the range of x in this inequality. Okay, so next one. So again here you can see we've got brackets. Brackets in math mean multiply, so we need to simplify that out first. So 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6. Then we've got plus 6x is less than 25. So again, I want all x's on one side, numbers on the other. So keeping my 4x and my 6x over here, I can bring that minus 6 over beside the 25, and as I bring it over, it turns into a plus 6, leaving me with 10x on the left hand side is less than 31. So again, dividing down both sides by the coefficient. So it's going to be divide down by 10, divide down by 10, which is going to leave me with x is less than, so 31 over 10, or another way of saying that is x is less than 3.1. Okay, so again it asks us to show us on a number line, and again x is a natural number, so you should know that natural numbers are only positive whole numbers starting from 1. So the point 1 here in this answer doesn't really refer to natural numbers or the number line. So all we're interested in here is x is less than 3.1, so we could only include the natural numbers in that. So x is less than, so we've got 1, we've got 2. So it says we're really ticking here that x is less than 3.1, but we can only include the natural numbers in that. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now, for more practice on this topic, so this is question 9, parts A, B, and C, and they are on page 89 of your textbook, and it's chapter 2, the revision exercise. If you have any questions after this video, please don't hesitate to get in contact. Thank you.